Today we are going to discuss delta G, that is Gibbs energy change and equilibrium constant. Now in a reaction it's not necessary that each and every ingredient in a reaction may present in their standard state. Thus delta G, that is change in Gibbs energy, and delta G naught, that is standard Gibbs energy change, are related as we can write delta G is equal to delta G naught plus RT ln Q. Now where Q is nothing but the reaction quotient. Now reaction quotient, how one can calculate this? For that, consider the hypothetical reaction of type AA plus BB gives CC plus DD. Now if all the ingredients in this reaction are in aqueous phase, then to calculate reaction quotient, that is Q, we need to take care of the molar concentration of those. Thus the reaction quotient Q, and for this we write the subscript C which indicate the concentration, molar concentration, equals to concentration of C to the power C into concentration of D to the power D upon concentration of A to the power A into concentration of B to the power B. Now suppose if the ingredients in the reaction, A, B, C, D, are in the gaseous phase, if the ingredients involved in the chemical reaction are gases, then we need to take care of the partial pressures, and for that we can write QP. P subscript indicates the pressure. Thus the reaction quotient can be given as partial pressure of C to the power C into partial pressure of D to the power D upon partial pressure of A to the power A into partial pressure of B to the power B. Now if values of QC or QP are substituted in this equation, we may write delta G is equal to delta G naught plus RT ln concentration of C to the power C into concentration of D to the power D upon concentration of A to the power A into concentration of B to the power B. And this can also be given as, or if ingredients are in gaseous phase, then we need to take care of this, QP is needed to be substituted. Thus we get delta G is equal to delta G naught plus RT ln partial pressure of C to the power C into partial pressure of D to the power D into partial pressure of A to the power A into partial pressure of B to the power B. Now at equilibrium what happens? At equilibrium delta G, that is Gibbs energy change, becomes 0, and instead of QC it becomes KC, and instead of QP it becomes KP, where KC and KP are the equilibrium constants. Thus the equation becomes, at equilibrium delta G naught plus RT ln KC becomes 0, or one can say delta G naught plus RT ln KP is also 0. Thus one can give this as delta G naught is equal to minus RT ln KC, or delta G naught is equal to minus RT ln KP. Now further this can be given as delta G naught is equal to minus 2.303 RT log base 10 Kc, or one can say delta G naught equals to minus 2.303 RT log base 10 Kp. So this is the relationship between equilibrium constant and standard Gibbs energy change. Now we also have delta G is equal to delta H minus T delta S. Now we know very well that at equilibrium delta G becomes 0, thus delta H minus T delta S becomes 0, thus T is equal to delta H upon delta S. Now this T is the temperature of equilibrium, and it is the crossover temperature between the spontaneous and non-spontaneous behavior of the reaction. Thank you very much.